Hello friends, my name is Ujjwal and I'm gonna compare iPhone X with brand new ASUS ZenFone 5Z. So let's start our comparison. First of all, we will talk about display. In ASUS ZenFone 5Z, we have display 6.2-inch Full HD Plus IPS with resolution of 2264 into 1080p. It have 19:9 aspect ratio, whereas iPhone X have 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2436 into 1125p. Now, if we talk about the processor, the ASUS ZenFone 5Z have Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with ADRENO 630 GPU, whereas iPhone X have hexa-core 2.39 GHz processor. Now, if we talk about the camera, the ASUS ZenFone 5Z have dual 12MP rear camera with aperture 1.8 with 120-degree wide-angle lens, whereas iPhone X have dual 12MP rear camera with aperture 1.8 and 2.4. ASUS ZenFone 5Z have front camera 8 megapixel with aperture 2.0, whereas iPhone X have 7 megapixel camera. Let's compare about the battery capacity. ASUS ZenFone 5Z have non-removable 3300 mAh battery with ASUS Boost Master and AI charging, whereas iPhone X have 2716 mAh battery with wireless fast charging. If we talk about the operating system, the iPhone X have iOS 11.1.1 operating system and ASUS ZenFone 5Z have latest Android 8.0 Oreo customized with Gen UI 5.0. Let's compare about the RAM variant. ASUS ZenFone 5Z have two variants, that is 6GB and 8GB RAM, whereas iPhone X have only one variant, that is 3GB RAM. If we talk about the internal storage, in base variant of these smartphones, ASUS ZenFone 5Z comes with 64GB internal storage, whereas iPhone X have same internal storage 64GB in base variant. So friends, this video was only for comparing the iPhone X with brand new ASUS ZenFone 5Z which is launched in MWC 2018. So friends, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our channel for our latest upcoming videos. Thank you.